Ever dreamed of building your own SMS platform like the pros? This video will show you how to build a complete SMS web application using the Mern stack. First, let's set up our backend using Node.js, and Express will install the necessary packages, including Twilio's Node helper library, and create an Express server to handle incoming requests. Next, we'll configure our Twilio account credentials and create an endpoint to send SMS messages. Now, for data persistence, we'll integrate MongoDB. Using Mongoose, we'll define schemas for storing user details and message history, ensuring our application can retrieve and manage SMS data efficiently. This allows us to save and retrieve user data. It's time for the front end. We'll build an intuitive user interface with React, providing users with the ability to input phone numbers and custom messages. We'll use forms to capture user input and create API calls to the backend to send the messages. Now, we need to connect our front end and backend. We'll implement API calls from our React components to our Express routes, seamlessly passing SMS data for processing and sending. We'll create API endpoints for sending messages and retrieving message history. And that's it. You've built a fully functional SMS web application using the Mern stack. Now your users can send and receive messages directly from your web application.